Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this RENPHO Calibra 1 Smart Nutritional Scale. I already have a RENPHO weighing scale and a RENPHO tape measure, and they're very convenient, so I decided to pair it up with this weighing scale for food. It is actually a food scale that can link to the RENPHO app or RENPHO Health app on your phone. So there you go. So you can get this on Amazon, and you can download the app on the App Store or in the Apple App Store and Google Play. So RENPHO have two types of food scale in their in the website. They have the one that had like black glass top, and the other one is a stainless steel. What I got is the stainless steel version. So it comes with this manual. It's a pretty thick little book here. What's included? It comes with a pre-installed battery, three AAA batteries. So there's some caution there. Tare function. So this is how you will pair it with your app. So let's get into the actual scale. So this scale is very lightweight, and it is also it's pretty small. So as you can see, this is my hand. This is the stainless steel version. So it's really easy to clean. Just like grab a wipe, and that's how you're gonna clean it. Let's try to turn it on. So it says that there's a pre-installed battery. There's the battery compartment, and so it's a little bit dark here, but let's check out if there's a battery. Yep, there's battery here. And it looks like the back piece have like 4 rubber stands, and it's all plastic in the back. Oh, it says pull this, so I'm gonna pull this. Oh, there you go. Turn it on. There you go. So today I'm gonna be making some empanadas, so I'm gonna use this to weigh my dough to make it even when I form them. So let's see here. I'm just gonna tare function. Oops, this is power. Let me see, power and then tare. I have to read the manual. There's the tare. Unit, you can change it to ml, grams. I don't know if you can see that. There's like pounds over there, ounces, fluid ounces, ounces, milliliters, grams. So that's it. Let's try a tare function here. Let's do tare function and then pound. So let's see. What do you want to weigh, Naomi? Let's try to weigh a stick of butter. There you go. So that's like 3.8 ounces, I think. Let's try.
It's kind of pretty heavy.
That one is like 1.4 pounds. So that is our unboxing for today. I will link the item in the description. I'll see you in the next video.
Bye bye. Subscribe to our channel.